Hi guys. So today I would just want to create one content on actually enhancement of the pictures. So whenever you see that the picture is little dull or the picture is not up to the mark, you can just use this app Snapseed. So whenever you want to use Snapseed, just click on the app. Example, this is one pic of mine which I have just opened from the gallery. So there is an option called open and you can just click on the gallery. So here you see lot of pictures, right? So what I did is I just took this one particular picture to use it for enhancement, that is to improve the image quality. So what I use normally is these two options, which is pop or accentuate. And depending upon the quality, we can also use other options like morning, bright, and then smooth in few cases, and also in portrait. So now for time being, I will just try these two options like pop. I just clicked on pop, so the image quality changed a little bit. And I will also check how does it look under accentuate. So yeah, so this is one option. Yes, under pop it is looking a little better than accentuate. So I clicked on the tick mark to save it. And then I will also go to the tools if I have to increase on certain aspects of the image. I'll just repeat. I'll go to tools. I'll click on the tune image, the first option in the first row, the leftmost top corner. The first option is tune image. I'll go to that. And then see, there is one option, this brightness. Okay, on the top of the screen you can see that. So if you move your finger towards your left or right, if it is a touchscreen mobile, if you use your finger towards left or right, you can just adjust the brightness. See here, can you see this? I'm just sliding my finger on the screen towards my right side, where I can increase the image quality or increase the brightness. Whereas if you want to reduce the image or reduce the brightness of the image, you can use or you can just slide towards the left side of the screen using the finger, where the image quality will go very low or brightness will go very low. This is one option you can definitely try. And then there is another option, saturation. Okay, so saturation also similarly, as you go towards right, the image saturation will increase, and then if you go towards left, image saturation will reduce. So you can also use these options. Okay, so then comes ambience. So you can play around with this particular options, like however you want your image to be placed. So there is also something called as warmth. So this also you can just modify however you like. Example, I have kept it at -16 of warmth. So then now the image quality looks better. I will just say yes, okay, tick on it, and then I will click on the option called export. Upon exporting, I will save this particular picture. So it is getting saved and photo is now saved in my gallery. So if I come to the gallery, I can view this pic now. So just I'll scroll down. As you can see here, this particular image is saved in my gallery now. So now this is ready to get exported either for Canva or for PixArt, depending upon what type of collage you want to prepare. So if you want to go to PixArt, so when you want to create a collage, right? So click on the plus mark here and then say make a collage. Okay, example, I will select my own pictures. So I will select this and also I will select few pictures of mine. Example, okay, I'll scroll down further. Okay, let me select this one and also let me select, yeah, this one which I just created. Okay, so I'll give next. I'll close this. I'll close. Okay, I'll go to freestyle. I can adjust it wherever I want. See, as you can see, the image quality has not reduced when I do this. Okay, so image quality is not reduced. And also see here also there is an option. In this PixArt also there is an option to adjust the image. So you can increase the brightness also here. There is also an option to increase the contrast, clarity, saturation, etc. Still the image quality can be enhanced also in PixArt. So you can try any of these images as well. Example, here I click this picture. Again I go to adjust in the options at the bottom. So again I will increase the brightness. As you can see here, see, the quality is getting adjusted. Okay, saturation. So I will just keep it to this level to make it look better. See, like this you can just place the images wherever you want in the collage. And then example, if you want to insert text, just click on this particular image, click on the text box, and then say example 8 kg knocked off in 5 weeks. This is an example. Okay, this is just to create that collage of all the clients that we are helping, to put them in one particular collage and then showcase that. So you can see this, I have put 8 kg knocked off in 5 weeks. And then if you want to include highlight option, it comes under subscription. You need to subscribe for this particular app to get it for free, or not for free, or to enable this particular option. You can save the image, or just click on this particular highlight, adjust it wherever you want, and then try to take the screenshot. I've just taken the screenshot of the image and it has got saved in the gallery. Now I'll go to gallery. I'll just click on the image. As you can see, the quality is not deteriorated and it is still up to the mark. Yeah, thank you.